Hello comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. I am your host, Bill Miller. This is part 2 of our mystery unboxing of some auction comics that are all graded. I believe they're all CGC graded. We unboxed about half of them last time in part 1. This is part 2. We've already opened the box, but we haven't opened these comics. I don't know what they are, so we'll find out together. And as a bonus, I'll try to show them to you first, so you get to find out a split second before I do. So without further ado, let's get to showing and telling. All right, got a box here. It's funny because where is it? It's a My Comic Shop box, but these aren't from My Comic. These aren't from Lone Star Comics. So they're reusing boxes. You gotta like that. All right. Now I'm not looking. You get to see it first, and bam. Oh boy. You better know I love Conan. This is Savage Sword of Conan number 72. Marvel Comics, January of 1982. Pablo Marcos frontispiece, pinup portfolio by LaRocque, Chan, and Marcos. Bruce Jones story, Joe Jusko, probably Jusko, yeah, Joe Jusko cover, John Buscema, Ernie Chan art. And what a cover that is, huh? Just a beauty. So this is CGC 9.4 off-white to white pages. And slowly but surely, we are building our Savage Sword run. On the back, we have an advertisement for ElfQuest, the book. So again, Jusko cover, Savage Sword number 72. Super excited about that. Okay, and I believe we have, how many? We have 3 more. So let's get this guy open. Okay. Sorry about the noise. And boom. Whoops. Boom. There we go. All right. What do we have? Oh, yes. So this is Savage Sword of Conan number 219. Marvel Comics, March of 1994. Conan and Solomon Kane team up. Robert E. Howard adaptation. Roy Thomas story. Colin McNeil cover. Colin McNeil and Mike Dougherty art. This is a CGC 9.4 with white pages. Very nice. And I'm a Solomon Kane fan. You can see him there in the moon. On the back, we have an advertisement for Art Book Warehouse. So Savage Sword number 219. Super cool. All keepers. All right, another one. Let's open this guy up. One, 2, and 3. Oh goodness. It's another Savage Sword. What do we got with this one? That's incredible. This is Savage Sword of Conan number 221. Marvel Comics, May of 1994, C.L. Moore adaptation. Roy Thomas stories, George Pratt cover, Bob Brown and Mike Dougherty art. This is a CGC 9.4 with white pages. Incredible, clearly an oil painting. I don't know if that's God in the Bull, or I don't know what's going on the cover there. It's pretty awesome. It's very dark, very shadowy. And on the back, we have, that's kind of cool, a comic book dealer from Minnesota, Fred B. Miney, I'm guessing, with some prices for various issues in 1994. So let's take a look-see. Fantastic Four, number 59 is $30. Let's see, what tickles our fancy here? A lot of crap in here. Not much out of one. John Carter, number 1, $2. Cole the Conqueror, 6 through 10, $3 a piece. Colan the Barbarians, number 1, $6, 2 and 3, $5. Those are the magazine-sized ones. Huh. Secret Wars. He just has 1 for $4, 2 to 5, $2.50, 6, 7, and 9 through 12, $1.50. Even then, 8 was a bigger deal. Red Sonja, number 1, $4. Rom, number 1, $5. Savage Sword of Conan, number 4, $25. Number 16, $16. Savage Tales, number 1, $100. Number 2, $40. Number 3, $25. Star Wars number 1, $20. Thor, but he starts at $3.38. Transformers number 1, $7. Watchmen number 1, $6. And X Factor 2 through 5, $4. 6 through 10, $3. So some deals could be had. All right. Now this is our last one. So let's make it a good one, shall we? Sorry about that. And here we go. Oh, sweet. This is Savage Tales number 7. Marvel Comics, November of 1974. Brack the Barbarian appearance. Alfredo Alcala frontispiece. Jerry Conway story. Boris Vallejo cover. John Buscema, Steve Gann, and Tony DeZuniga art. And this is a CGC 9.0 white pages. And that is a beauty. I don't think I have this one, but I want it in slightly higher grade. So this was a value buy that I'll be selling at some point in the future. And all of Vallejo's covers were oil on board. And on the back, That's right. Look who's smiling now. This son of a gun is. That's who. Not just him. I'm smiling too. So, Savage Tales number 7, 9.0. Very cool. And that will do it for the auction graded comics that we have for today. I love showing them to you. I certainly hope you enjoyed seeing them. And if you did, I would encourage you to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. That way you'll be alerted as soon as I drop new content. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. Remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.